What is up, Nova Nation? I hope you all have been having a productive May. Today we are doing a quick and easy plan with me using the May Happy Planner. So if you're interested, be sure to stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Hello everyone, my name is Vana SUPERNOVA and welcome to my channel where we discuss everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. So today we are doing a weekly plan with me. That's so satisfying. For the week of the 11th, well, May 11th through May 17th. So if you're interested in planning with me, please stay tuned. So how I like to start off my planning, I like to use a base. So I'm like, what's the theme of the week? The theme of this week is Glam Girl because I have the Glam Girl planner. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys. If you haven't seen it before, that's my planner. This is what the cover looks like. Absolutely love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove the week that I'm going to be working on just so I can have a little bit more room. So this is the week that I'll be working on, and how I usually start off my plan with me is that I choose a base. I choose a base color using my stickers or my colorful boxes sticker books, and I choose a theme. This week's theme is going to be Glam Girl. Since this is the first time this year that I'm doing the plan with me, I figured why not stick to what my planner is. It's the Glam Girl edition. Why not stick to Glam Girl stickers? So these 4 sticker books are going to be the base of my plan with me. Let's get to the nitty gritty, guys. This is like a plan with me / chit chat. You guys, how crazy has this whole entire freaking last quarter been? OMG. Like, seriously? I hope you guys have been as productive as possible. Psych. I know people are going stir crazy and some people are like very stressed out, and I mean, it's totally understandable. Does anybody use tweezers? I always use tweezers because I have my nails done. Oh, if you are interested in these nails, I just did a video. These nails are actually by Kiss. Can you believe these are just glue-on nails? Absolutely stunning. So I had to go ahead and speed up at this point because I already know that when it comes to my plan with me's, I am slow as molasses, baby. And especially now that I have the longer nails, I just want to be careful because literally right before this video, I was putting on these nails. So right now I'm going through my Glam Girl sticker book, and like I said, I just want to choose colors that will kind of coordinate and play well with each other. So I kind of go back and forth between the old Glam Girl, the new Glam Girl, and then the 2 other sticker books I was showing you. Now, one thing about me is I love variation. So I'm not just going to use these 4 basic books for the entire plan with me. I am going to be switching it up after I finish my base, which is pretty much my color scheme. I'm going to move on and I'm going to go between the books that I've chosen. So all the books that I'm going to use in this video were already predetermined. I already knew which books I was going to use. Like anytime I'm doing like any kind of planning and I want to decorate, I pick and I go through each of my books and see which one, I don't know, kind of speaks to me. Which one do I feel like will show the vision that I'm going with for the week or for the theme of whatever project I'm creating. So I love variation. I also love layering. Now what you're seeing me do right now, I'm going through the Glam Girl sticker book, and the ones that I'm picking, you're not seeing me putting them straight on the paper. I'm putting them on the side because I already know that I'm gonna want to use those items to layer, and I just wasn't ready yet because I wanted to layer it on top of something. So that's when my sticker book comes in handy. This sticker book, oh my gosh, it has everything themed out already for you. And it even has holidays, like the color schemes themed out. So I'm just going through that and my colorful boxes, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in the remainder of the week. So variation, layering, it makes it just so aesthetically pleasing, and that's very important to me when planning, the aesthetics of it all. I know planning has to be practical, but for me, it also has to be visually pleasing. In doing so, I know that I also have to be very practical because I write a lot. I use a lot of the colorful boxes because they're just blank canvases that you can use to write whatever checklist you need to write. I also have room to make little notes if I need to. And let's say I just run out of room completely. I could always add a sticky note on top of it and boom, we're all set. Now, what you just saw here, I definitely ripped my So Glam sticker, but it's okay because I just cut around it and it fit perfectly fine. Like, girl, we're good. That's the beauty of like planning for me. It's almost like a collage. So how about you guys? How is quarantine life? For me, everything is so-so. Initially, before this week, I was working like normal. Mag is also working at home. If you don't know, Magnum is my boyfriend. We both live here. We just purchased a new home, so we're living together. And so both of us were working and nothing changed until this week. So yeah, they waited until the week that everywhere in the US is pretty much opening up to send me home. He's still working. And honestly, I like it. I like the work from home environment. It's bringing back my creative juices, which I feel like was missing for a while. I was creating, but I was recording, but I wasn't creating, if that makes sense. So there's a difference. Like, recording takes charisma, but editing and posting, that takes creativity when you're editing. So my creative juices were just like elsewhere. I was giving it all to my job, and that's kind of dangerous when you give it all to your job. So what you're seeing right now, I'm still using colorful boxes and I'm still using the sticker books. But what I'm doing is taking the stickers that I had lined up on the side, and I'm now starting to layer them on top of the boxes that I'm adding. So you'll kind of get a gist of what I'm doing. Just a lot of layering, making sure that there's room for writing, and just making it pretty just all around. So as we go through, you'll see what I'm doing. So yeah, during quarantine life, we have the new home. We're doing improvements and projects. So with the improvements, there's a lot of rearranging of items, not so much purchasing them because my stores are closed. So I have to shop my home. Usually, anybody who knows me knows I love home goods. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Burlington, at-home stores, Kirkland's. I am in there like swimwear, but everybody knows I love home goods. So you want to check on your girl's not doing well, okay? I need home goods. I love it so much. I'm in home goods multiple times a week. Like, I know you know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody who's like addicted to a particular store. That for me is home goods. I don't have home goods, so I have to shop my home. And surprisingly, there's so many items that I just forgot that I had. Like, I purchase items and I like stick them in a cabinet for like a specific day when I'm off or something, for like a decorating day. And literally, I found like a batch of items that I just completely forgot I purchased. So that was like a goodie for me. For projects, we're just doing basic things like the kitchen and then little projects upstairs. We wanted to do the outside area, but with everything shutting down, it would be difficult to hire out because everybody's pretty much working from home. So at this point in the video, you are seeing me still layering. I'm using my X-Acto knife to make sure that any sticker that doesn't fit in the box, I could just cut it off and make it fit, kind of thing. It's like scrapbooking. Anytime I'm doing a plan with me in front of somebody, they're always wanting to know what I'm doing. And I always just say I'm scrapbooking because at this point, the new age planner community is like a mixture of memory keeping, scrapbooking, and planning. It's like an all-in-one. So essentially that's what you're seeing. I'm trying to just make everything, I don't know, make sense to me. To other people, this may be too much, the layering may be too much, but the beauty in planning is that it has to work for you personally. So diet-wise, I am still on the keto diet. I just completed my first week back on the keto diet. Before, I was just doing whatever and having a grand old time. But you guys already know I recorded my entire journey this week, and you guys, I'm so excited to share my results. I cannot wait to make this video. You guys, it's something I'm excited about, so you already know the news is good. So all I have to do is continue to be consistent, persistent. I mean, I have the support of my girls. I'm so excited. We just started a challenge on the Nike app. So Nike Fit Club, if anybody has it, let me know in the comment section below if you want to be added as a friend, and we could kind of share our journeys together. But fitness this year is extremely important to me. I haven't made my vision board just yet. Thank God I didn't, because the illness that's affecting the world would have completely like thrown off everything. Now, I apologize at this point. I didn't realize that the sun was setting and so it was washing out like half of the video, but I'll go ahead and try to clip as much of that portion as I can. So really quick, I'm already going to be listing all the books that I use, but I still want to list all the sticker books anyway. Just so you know, I use the Glam Girl sticker book, Colorful Boxes, the sticker book, Household, Healthy Hero, Squad Goals, Boss Babe, and Gold Star Quotes. I usually do use about that many sticker books just because I don't want everything to be redundant. I don't want it to all look the same, and I want each week to look a little bit unique. Furthermore, I do want to use up all the stickers that I've been purchasing. I know a lot of people in the planner community can really feel me when I say we can be hoarders as sometimes when it comes to stickers, but one thing that we have to make sure of is that we are using our stickers. You know, they're pretty and we love them, but we also have to be practical about it. If you want to buy a new sticker book, make sure you just used up a sticker book. That way you're not just holding up all this space in your craft room or wherever, your closet, that is just dead space of items you're not even using. Also, it doesn't all have to be stickers. I don't know if you noticed, but my shopping list, I literally did that with my Zebra Mild Liner. This is my monthly tracker. I'm going to be using this for 3 things. So yeah, this monthly tracker is just going to be in the middle somewhere. So this monthly habit tracker is actually an expansion from Healthy Hero, and I absolutely love it because it comes in 60 pieces and each tracker holds 3 different things you could track. And sometimes I don't have 3 things to track, so I actually cut them and only use like 1 or 2 at a time. But this month I actually do need the 3. I'm tracking my Bible study, my walk/jogs, and this month I'm not trying to do fast food, so I'm tracking that as well. Last but not least, I'm going to add the weather. I always add the weather. Not that I need it now, because we're obviously not going outside, but I still like to add it just so I can know what to expect for my jogs and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put each coordinating weather piece to each day. I usually put them underneath, but I didn't really have room, so I decided to put them on the side. What I'm also going to do is write the actual temp. And all I do is I just Google the weather and just put it on there. So with the temperature, there's actually no rhyme or reason as to how I do it. I always want to make sure that I get the highs and the lows for each day so I can dress accordingly. This is the finished product for the week. I hope you did enjoy this video. Question of the day: have you been keeping up with your plan with me's? Have you been keeping up with your daily schedule? During quarantine, we already know it's hectic, so how are you keeping up with things? Are you keeping up with things? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you will not miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.